All right, I'm going to go through a few of your note problems right now. We covered these today in class, and perhaps me walking it step by step might be just a little bit easier once you get home to work on your homework. The first one I'm going to start with is going to be number 3 right here. So it says, write the slope-intercept form of an equation of a line that passes through 1, -3, and is parallel to the graph of y equals 1/2 x plus 4. So a couple of things you need to know automatically is our answer needs to be in slope-intercept form, and we want it to be parallel to this equation. So we know the current slope is 1/2, therefore the parallel slope would also be 1/2. Then we're going to use our slope formula, y minus and x minus, and we're going to plug in our values, y minus -3 and x minus 1. Pop, pop, fizz, fizz. And from here, we're going to do what we were doing whenever we solved for r, and we're going to cross multiply. In slope-intercept form, I want y to be on the left, so I'm going to multiply up first. So 2 times y plus 3 equals 1 times x minus 1. From here, you're going to distribute 2y plus 6 equals x minus 1. And now we want to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 6. 2y equals x minus 7. And then divide by 2. So y is going to equal 1/2 x minus 7 over 2. And you can do an eyeball check here and see our slope is 1/2 and the original slope is 1/2. Therefore, it is parallel. Do a second one as well. Slope-intercept form, again. Actually, let me skip and I'll do a standard form one. That way you have one of each to look at. All right, standard form of an equation of a line that passes through -5, -4, and is parallel to this equation here. This equation is not in slope-intercept form, so that's the first thing you need to do so that you can find your slope. I'm going to move my x and divide by -2. So y is going to equal 1/2 x plus 1, making my slope 1/2. So when I set up my equation, it's going to be 1/2 equals y minus and x minus, plug in your numbers, -4 and -5, pop, pop, fizz, fizz on both of them. In standard form, we want x first, so I'm going to multiply my x first. All right, I'm going to have to go back up to here. Okay, so when you distribute, you get x plus 5 equals 2y plus 8. Remember, in standard form, we want x and y together. So I'm going to move my y over. And I'm going to move my 5. And 8 minus 5 is 3, and we are in standard form.